How to turn on or turn off favorite shops on your profile on Etsy. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to etsy.com and log into your account. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top here and click on your account, and now go down, click on account settings. After you click account settings, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Click on public profile and scroll down. You will find include on your profile. Now here is the favorite shops option. You can enable it or disable it from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.